Have you ever wondered about how search engines seem to know what you're interested in and offer suggestions? If you have, you'll find the answers in CS class. We use many different applications in our CS classes. Some applications such as Classroom, Explain EDU Seesaw, and Schoology to get access to different lesson material, fake online quizzes, and so on. Apps such as Kahoot make learning more fun and competitive. Because we test ourselves by playing games our teachers create for us. We simulate network planning and practice iOS commands through Packet Tracer. We learn coding basics using Swift Playground, then write programming codes using Java compilers. We also use Xcode 11 to develop iOS apps.
In Arabic, Islamic, and social studies classes, we showcase our understanding of lessons by recreating them in the form of movies, which makes it more fun to learn and gives us not only the analytical reading and writing skills, but also the necessary character development, production, and directing skills that enable us to produce a movie. This is done using different iPad applications such as iMovie, Safari, Notes, Photo Booth, Camera, Translator, and many more.
All of those graphs come to life in math classes when we use apps like Desmos. We can also test mathematical concepts like equations, parabolas, or inequalities, alone or in groups, and then we can share them. Teachers can create their lessons using flip charts, and then we can use them to revise at home. And maybe if we miss a class, we don't have to worry about not having the material either. Kahoot and quizzes makes learning more enjoyable. We can check our understanding by playing competitively, either alone or in groups. Sometimes teachers show us how math relates to the real life using videos from different educational sources too. Who said math can be fun?
We work in accordance to the late Sheikh Zayed's words. We emphasize in building the generation of technicians, engineers, and scientists needed by the United Arab Emirates in the areas of engineering. To help us do that, our teachers use different applications to access lessons. We use iWork aspects to complete many tasks. We prepare our presentations using apps like Keynote, take notes using Notes, and submit work on word processing apps. Because we can't always see and work on lesson content in real life, we stimulate real-life machines using AutoCAD. It helps us create 2D and 3D drawings of parts we may not be able to see at school.
iPads make the experience more personal for us students because we are in control of what we learn and how we learn it. We can visualize abstract physics concepts which once seemed difficult and hard to imagine, rather than imagine how objects move. For example, we use Physics Playground and Vernier graphics where we videotape our own experiments, then slow down the video to a frame-by-frame pace, track an object and produce different parameters, such as trajectory, position, and velocity, to name a few. By using technology, students are now able to view current and magnetic fields, which was once only viewed with the eye of one's mind.
In PE, we enjoy lessons that we have opportunities for collaboration and innovation when working in groups or individually. In PE, we use our iPads for recording our skills and techniques at the start of the lesson and then record again to show our improvements we have made. We use apps like iMovie, Video Delay, and Coach's Eye to record and analyze performance. This helps us visually see our work and improve. All of our work is then available for teachers to grade and for feedback to be delivered. I can then see my progress from lesson to lesson and term to term.
In English classes, a range of applications are used for different purposes. We access lessons using a variety of applications such as ClassKick, Classroom, and Seesaw. Here teachers assign us work to do, and we can complete our tasks in and out of class. We can work together or alone, upload our own photos and videos, or record audio notes on different lessons. Our teachers can see what we're doing in real time. That means we get prompt feedback on our work.